The best ETFs to buy and hold for long-term wealth. How would you feel if I revealed that one decision today could set you up for a lifetime of wealth? No stress, no staring at stock charts all day, just a simple hands-off strategy that has made millionaires out of ordinary people. But here's the thing, most people ignore it. They chase quick gains, jump from stock to stock, and end up losing more than they gain. You don't have to be that person. Today, I'm going to show you the best ETFs that can grow your money on autopilot. If you stick around till the end, I'll even reveal a bonus ETF that many investors overlook but has insane potential. Let's dive in. ETF 1, the S&P 500 ETF, SPY or VOOO, the market's powerhouse. If you could only own one ETF for life, this might be it. The S&P 500 is the backbone of American business. This ETF gives you a slice of Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Tesla, the giants that drive the economy. Think about this. If you invested just $1,000 in the S&P 500 2 decades ago, you'd have over $7,000 today. And that's without lifting a finger. It's simple. The market goes up over time. Owning an S&P 500 ETF is like having 500 money-making machines working for you. And the best part? You don't have to pick stocks. Wall Street does it for you. ETF 2. Total Stock Market ETF, VTI. The ultimate diversification. Why limit yourself to 500 companies when you can own the entire stock market? VTI is like the big brother of the S&P 500 ETF. It holds over 4,000 stocks instead of just 500. That means you're not just betting on big corporations, you're also investing in smaller, fast-growing companies before they hit the mainstream. If you want to own a piece of everything and never worry about missing the next big company, VTI is a no-brainer. It's literally set it and forget it investing at its best. ETF 3, Dividend Growth. ETF SCHD, Getting Paid While You Wait. What if your investments could pay you while they grow? Dividend ETFs, like SCHD, don't just grow your wealth. They pay you cash every quarter. Imagine this. You're sitting on the beach, sipping a drink, and your ETF just deposited money into your account. That's the power of dividend investing. And here's the kicker: companies that pay and grow their dividends tend to be stable, profitable, and weather market crashes better than others. So, if you like the idea of getting paid to invest, dividend ETFs are a must. ETF 4, Technology. ETF QQQ, Riding the Future. Want to invest in the future? This is how. QQQ is the ETF that lets you own the future. Tech is where the biggest gains happen. Apple, Nvidia, Google, Tesla. These aren't just companies, they're revolutions. Here's a crazy stat. If you invested in QQQ just 10 years ago, your money would have tripled. That's how fast tech is growing. So, if you believe that AI, robotics, and software are going to shape our future, QQQ is where you want to be. ETF 5, International ETF VXUS, the global money move. The US isn't the only place where money is being made. If you're only investing in the US, you're missing out on half the world's opportunities. VXUS lets you own companies from China, Europe, Japan, and emerging markets. These are economies growing faster than the US, and in the long run, that means more profits for investors. If you want true diversification, having a slice of the global economy is a smart move. So, we've covered the best ETFs for long-term wealth. But remember, the real key to investing isn't just what you buy, it's how long you hold. Want proof? Investors who simply held on to these ETFs during market crashes came out wealthier than ever. The only ones who lost were those who panicked and sold. Bonus ETF, REIT ETF, VNQ, passive real estate profits. What if you could earn rental income without buying property? VNQ is an ETF that lets you own real estate without being a landlord. It invests in properties like apartments, malls, and office buildings that pay out rental income to investors like you. So if you want a piece of the real estate game without dealing with tenants, broken toilets, or property taxes, VNQ is your golden ticket. All right, now it's decision time. Are you going to start building wealth today, or are you going to wait and watch others get rich? Drop a comment below. Which ETF do you already own? And which one are you adding next? Let's talk. And if you want more strategies to make money work for you, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Because here's the deal. Wealth isn't built overnight, but it starts with one decision. Make yours today. I'll see you in the next video.